We're here now in the Metro Park for a walk. It's nice and peaceful, the way I like things. He's enjoying himself. Today I'm having a little better day than I was the other day. Sometimes life throws bad things at you. That's sometimes hard to deal with. But sometimes you just have to try to get through what you can. Because what else can you do? But today's a better day. It's a happy day. And I try to stay positive for the day. But the scenery over here is nice. The trees are pretty. It's a good time of year. And they have lots of traffic out. I haven't seen the horses or anything yet. But we'll be on the lookout. Alright, we're on another trail. And of course, Chong's excited. I had to go to the hospital earlier. I paid $50 to find out that I didn't need tubes. And I got excessive earwax and it's gooey. That's a lot of money to pay for that. Thank God for insurance. And it didn't help I had a summer cold, so. But I'm okay now. I'm feeling a little better. That's why we're down in the park. And we're over by here. I wish this wasn't so deep to go down. I'm gonna try to go down here. Okay, Chong. Alright, we're on another trail. And of course, Chong's excited. I had to go to the hospital earlier. I paid $50 to find out that I didn't need tubes. Yeah. Here he is, acting like an insane idiot. He's very excited about this, taking his little nap and everything else down here. I was trying to get a picture of him, but he wouldn't look straight to camera. He never likes to. I try. He's too interested in these ducks over here. They've come a little closer now. Need to being a dog over here. We are in another part of the forest now. It's very nice. Chong's enjoying it. It's a popular little path. Has the trees over here. He enjoys the park. It's his favorite thing to go. He gets excited about my days off because he gets to come out by the park areas. So I have more energy. We're going up this way. They kind of mowed the grass over here so you can walk, which is nice. It gives you that feeling like you're in the deep woods, but you're really not in the deep woods. You got all these trees here. You get to be at one with nature. Sometimes being at one with nature makes you feel good. Here's a dog in the distance. We are walking more through the path now. Chong's having a fun day today. I get saved money. I On your days off, gives you something to do. It's free. People should always come down to their local park. You get all of this nice scenery. Kids would like it, dogs like it, people like it, adults, why not? And they don't charge you admission. And he gets very excited. Look, he likes the noises, everything, and all the activity down here. Here's some good lumber if you wanted to build a house or build one of those temporary shelters. Alright, we're about to leave this area, then we'll find another place to film.